Hello students, so in the previous video we have seen about the translation, and in this video we will go through the topic scaling. So as the name suggests, scaling hota kya hai? We have to scale any object in with some scaling factor, that is the it could also enlarge the object, or it will distort, or it will reduce the size of the object. So let's see. So it is used to alter or change the size of the object. It is used to alter or change the size of the object. So what we can do with the help of scaling, we can alter or change. That is, both are same. And the change is done using scaling factors. And we have in case of 2D, we are having two types of scaling factors. The first one is Sx. We are having this Sx, which is the scaling factor along x-axis, and the second one is Sy, which is the scaling factor along the y-axis. So these are there are two scaling factors, that is Sx in the x-axis and Sy in the y direction, that is in y-axis. So if the original position is x and y, so let's suppose that we are having one point. This is a point x comma y, and we have to scale these 2 points. So scaling factor Sx and Sy, then the value of coordinates after scaling will be x1 y1. So after scaling, ये यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि we are not translating, so we can show this object over here only. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे होगा, तो किसी भी पॉइंट को स्केल करते हैं, so it will not get enlarged or distort. तो इस केस में क्या होता है कि हम लोग एक ऑब्जेक्ट को ही लेते हैं. So let's see that we are having this object, a triangle with x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, and x3 comma, this is x3 comma y3. ये 3 पॉइंट्स है, x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, and we have to enlarge it in 2 times x में भी and 2 times y में भी, 2x and 2y. We have to enlarge the object. So if the यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, we will enlarge each and every point. That means with this x1 dash, this x1 with this one is x1, so x1 dash, y1 dash, similarly x2 dash and y2 dash, and here x3 dash and y3 dash. So ये जो नया points मिल रहा है, this is the new point. So how we have to write this using the equation. So mathematical equation के through हम लोग कैसे इसको depict करते हैं. So let's see. So if the picture to be enlarged to twice its original size, then Sx equal to Sy equal to 2. That is, the value of Sx and Sy both are equal to 2. And if Sx and Sy are not equal, then the scaling will occur, but it will elongate or distort the picture. So अगर यूनिफॉर्म स्केलिंग नहीं होता, दैट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई आर नॉट सेम, तो उस केस में क्या होगा कि एक्स में इनलार्ज हो जाएगा. अगर एक्स का वैल्यू ज़्यादा है तो एक्स विल इनलार्ज एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ वाई इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू, और इट इज़ लेस दैन द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, तो वाई में उतना वो चेंज नहीं होगा. सो इफ़ स्केलिंग फैक्टर आर लेस दैन 1, देन द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट विल रिड्यूस. तो दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि अगर स्केलिंग फैक्टर इज़ लेस दैन द 1 है, that means Sx और Sy is less than 1, तो इस केस में क्या होता है, reduce होता है. What will be reduced? The size. And if Sx comma Sy is greater than 1 है, तो इस केस में क्या होगा, it will increase the size. और Sx comma Sy equal to 1 है, तो इस केस में क्या होता है, in this case what it will do, that जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो सेम रह जाएगा, क्योंकि समथिंग मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 1 गिव्स सेम. सो इफ स्केलिंग फैक्टर्स आर हायर देन 1, देन द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी enlarged. So if Sx and Sy are equal, it is also called as uniform scaling. So what is uniform scaling? If Sx and Sy, the value of both will be equal, so it is known as uniform scaling. And if not equal, then it is known as differential scaling. So there are two types of scaling we have studied. The first one is uniform scaling and the second one is differential scaling. So if scaling factors with value less than 1 will move the object closer to origin, closer to the coordinate origin, while a value higher than 1 will move coordinate position farther from origin. तो जब साइज, लेट्स सी दैट, अगर ये कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है, अगर इसका साइज कम करते हैं तो ये और अंदर होगा, दैट मीन्स इट विल कम क्लोजर टू दिस origin. But if we increase the value of if we increase the object, so what it will make, it will make this object enlarged one. तो enlarged one होगा तो ये सेंटर से और भी दूर जा रहा है. So these are the some key points of scaling. So let's see with the help of one example diagram. So if t1, that is 2002, this is any translation vector, or if x1 y1 is original position and t1 is translation vector, then x2 y2 are coordinated after scaling. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, x2 y2 is the new point and x1 y1 is the old point and this is the translation vector. तो ये क्या होता है कि मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन के थ्रू 2x1 ये फर्स्ट x कोऑर्डिनेट हो जाएगा एंड दिस विल बी द y कोऑर्डिनेट. तो इन दिस केस व्हाट वी विल डू कि जब भी इनलार्ज करना पड़ता है तो x को हम मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2, जब हमको 2 से करना है तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द वैल्यू ऑफ x विथ 2, एंड इन केस ऑफ y, if we are having the 2 as its scaling factor, so what we will do, we will multiply the object with 2. So यहाँ पे we can see this is the original object and this is the enlarged one, and similarly we will increase all these 3 points. ये तीनों पॉइंट को जैसे ही हम लोग इंक्रीज कर देंगे तो it will result in the new enlarged image. So let's see the matrix representation and the two types of scaling, that were the uniform scaling and the second one was differential scaling. So if this is the scaling factor, that is 0.5, that means half. We are making any object, it's half, हम आधा कर रहे हैं. And if x1 y1 is the positional vector इतना, so what we have to do, similarly we can see that in the previous case we were multiplying it with 2 and in this case we are multiplying it with 0.5. That means we are reducing the size or reducing the value of the x and y coordinate with its half. So this is the matrix of scaling, s equal to sx 0 0 0 sy 0 0 0 1. So till now we are studying about the two-dimensional, and here after seeing this matrix you must be thinking that why there is this third one, 1 2 and this third dimension. So this is not the third dimension, your matrix is only this much, but we have written this in the form of homogeneous coordinates. So what is homogeneous coordinates, we will study in the upcoming topics. I think in a couple of lectures we will study homogeneous coordinates, so we will study there why we use this one. Okay. So here we can see that this is the uniform scaling. These are the uniform scaling and these are the differential scaling. These two are the cross one or the star one are the differential scaling. तो उसमें हम क्या कह रहे हैं, we can see this x is this much and we are scaling the value of x को twice कर दे रहे हैं, तो ये x हम देख सकते हैं ये 2 गुना बढ़ रहा है, and the value of y we are not increasing, ये जितना था उतना ही है. So this will distort the image. पहले ये image कैसा दिख रहा था, now what it look like, you can see over here also. And in the second one, this is the original object and we are scaling the value of y. Okay, we are scaling the value of y. तो y का जब value scale कर रहे हैं तो we can see this one, ये कितना बड़ा हो जा रहा है. This distance is far much greater than the smaller one. So इस तरह से shape change होता है and we are scale होता है, and we are having two types of scaling, that are uniform and differential scaling. So that's all for this video. We will go through the third type of translation, that is the rotation, in the next video. Thank you.